Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll talk about exit intent pop-up style and later we'll create one and deploy it. So why this specific type? Why exit intent pop-up style? Well, the quick and simple answer is pop-up can make or break the impression of your website. If not properly used, it can devastate your whole website, and when it is used properly, it can convert users into your potential customers. Now let's focus into exit intent pop-up. Let's say you have a detailed product page and your users landed on that page and then knew everything through reading that page. And after walking over through that page, your users is still confused. So on that very moment, what would they do? They would try to compare to another product, they would try to leave, or they would try to find a cheaper option. Anything could happen. And on that very moment, exit intent pop-up can come in handy. While they are trying to exit the tab or trying to create a new tab, you can show a pop-up with 20% discount or a special offer which is very different from the regular one. And research says 3.5% to 4% conversion happened in that way. So let's see how to create an exit intent pop-up in WordPress less than a minute. Today we will use ConvertForce, a WordPress plugin which can simultaneously create bar, pop-ups and slide-ins. So let's install it first and then quickly create the pop-up and let's see how it works. Installation process is very default as other plugins, like go to plugins, add new and search for ConvertForce. And here's the ConvertForce plugin. I've already installed it, so I don't need it to install again. And you can install it from here and activate it from here. After installing ConvertForce, you will see a ConvertForce menu in the sidebar. So from here, we'll go to New Campaign. So from here, you can create bar, lightbox or slide-ins. So I'm getting into lightbox. Okay, so we have landed here, our very familiar playground. From here, we'll create the pop-up and further we'll save it. Now here at this time, I'm not gonna kill your precious time by building pop-up step by step because it is very easy to building with native blocks and things. If you wanna see detailed tutorial about it, then I can share on a later video. I'll use a pre-made pop-up. So let's simply dive into it. So here's the pop-up I'll use for the exit intent category. And I've just added few texts like get 20% off your first order, I think, which is very perfect for exit intent. So now let's customize its appearing conditions. Go to campaign. Okay, so first off, here's display condition. You may set show on or hide on. You may select specific path where it will show. You may set it entire site. You may set it to a singular site, then you will get many more options. I'm leaving it for you to explore. I'm keeping it entire site. And the triggers, when it will trigger. And this is very important because this is the place where you will set exit intent. So default is page load and you may set it to exit intent. So when you trigger set to exit intent, when user wants to exit your page, then this pop-up will appear. So next up, the display behavior. Display frequency, you can set once per session or you can set every page load. So I'm leaving it every page load. When closed, you can set it to hide forever or you can set it to keep showing or you can set it by custom in your own way. So I think these settings are pretty much enough for this specific exit intent pop-up. Let's title it test exit intent. So now you are completely done setting up. Let's publish it. Click on publish. Let's see how it works. Okay, so now let's exit this builder and let's see how it works on a page. So here's the blog post. See, I'm scrolling and if I go near to the address bar or tab, it will appear. Let's see. I'm moving my cursor. See, it appears. So I can say it works 100% perfectly and you can close it. So that's it for today. You have just already seen how easy it is to create an exit intent pop-up with just few clicks in WordPress. Just to mention, along with more free features, this is a pro feature of ConvertForce. But no worries, there is the early bird campaign going on the page. Go visit convertforce.com and grab your offer right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.